Hey, it's Blonde here from the Vortex Healing Center. I wanted to talk about the fact that most people really want to help the whole world, but they do it alone. They're meditating alone, they're healing alone, they're sending light alone. It's time to change all of that. We need connection, not in theory, but felt, embodied, and practiced. Connection with the earth beneath you, connection with the universe above you, connection with every sentient person, plant, and particle in between. So here's the new practice. Breathe with intention. Use sacred geometry to assist you in this practice. Each point, for example, of a triangle has a meaning. You can project healing outward, sending light, unity, and coherence out to the world. Point number 2, you can receive healing inward, letting the same energy return to your heart and soul. And point 3, you can observe from above, stepping back, witnessing, and aware of the shift in awareness without judgment. Try repeating this practice through 3 expanding triangles, each one broader, deeper, more aligned. For example, you can start with the breath. Connect to the center of the earth with a few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths. And then connect to the universe above with a few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths. And now connect to them both simultaneously, bringing the bright rainbow light into the higher heart. Let it rise in your heart like a rainbow of light. And now I invite you to focus on the exhale, projecting out coherence, healing, and unity. Inhale, receive it fully in your body and your mind. Be the observer. Watch as the earth lights up in alignment. How did that feel? That short moment, that brief moment of connecting to all that is, all that ever was, and all that ever will be. So why does this matter? It matters because global coherence begins with inner coherence. And we know there's a whole lot of chaos going on outside of us. So how can we minimize that incoherence, that chaos inside our own minds, inside our own body? Global systems are shifting so quickly. If our collective consciousness doesn't evolve, the confusion and chaos wins. But when our intentions all sync together, things change. One person breathing consciously makes a difference. Thousands of people breathing consciously together can shift everything. So here's the question. Will you sit alone and feel separate, or will you join in this collective field and feel connected yourself? I'd love to hear your comments if you're joining this practice. Let's do this together.